Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well, beta. See, in our earlier lectures we have done for class 10 we have done previous year questions in two parts, beta. This is the part third for previous year questions, quadratic equation. Okay, beta. See, without any delay we are going to start directly the questions. See, beta, different type of questions without statement I am going to discuss in this video. Please be ready with your pen and notebook in your hand, okay? And wherever you think you need any query, you can pause the video, you can rewind the video and see the questions. Otherwise, it is your choice. If you want to solve by yourself, I am writing the statement, you pause the video and then try by yourself. If is it possible, you can do by yourself. Otherwise, watch the video and you can get the desirable solution and try to understand the concept. Beta. Okay? Now, question number 1 I am going to solve here is this. Question number 1. See, beta, what is the statement here? It was the question passed by CBSE in 2014. 9x square minus 9 into a plus bx plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. Okay, beta, this is the quadratic equation we have to solve. Okay, now see, this is the quadratic equation and we can solve it by 3 methods: factorization, completing the whole square and the Sridharacharya Sutra. But it's our choice and it's our ability to decide which method is most suitable for this. See, if you are going to factorize, very frankly it can be factorized, okay, but why should we go for factorization? Why should we take extra burden? Why should we carry extra luggage? If very easily using the Sridharacharya Sutra or the quadratic formula, we can do it very easily. So without any delay, go to the quadratic formula, definitely you will get the desirable result. See, beta, here this is A, this portion is B and this whole portion is C. Compare with the standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now see, what is D? What is discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac for the standard polynomial. Okay, now what is b here? This whole portion minus 9a plus b is b. See, beta, this is the standard form. And if you compare with this, you will get a is equal to 9, a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 9 into a plus b. And c is equal to this portion, c is equal to 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay, these are the coefficients. These are the coefficients of the equation. Okay, now put these values here to find the D. See, beta, what is the quadratic formula? If you remember, x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Root d by 2a and d is b square minus 4ac. That's why we are finding d first and then we will put the value of d in the formula and we will find the desirable result. Okay, now see, what is b? Minus 9 into a plus b. This is whole square minus 4 into a is 9 and c is this one. Okay, do not get panic if the calculation is little bit lengthier. Do not get panic. Very easily you will be able to solve the question. Okay, now see, b square minus 4a and the c is this portion, 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Yes or no? Okay, done. What I have done here, I have just recognized the coefficients and put the coefficients in the formula. D is b square minus 4ac. Okay, now see, when we solve this, minus 9 whole square is 81 and a plus b whole square is also there. Minus this one is 36, 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Yes or no? So simple beta. Minus 9 whole square is 81 plus 81 and a plus b whole square as it is. Now we will expand this and try to find out the solution. See, 81 into a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Here in this step we will open the brackets and multiply the 81 and 36 respective with respectives. Okay, now see, multiply with this 81a square, 81b square plus 162ab. Yes or no? 81 is multiplied by this and this. In the same way, we will multiply minus 36. Do not forget the sign. Do not forget the sign. We will multiply minus 36 with the respective numbers. See beta, quantities. Minus 36 is minus 72a square. Minus 36 into this minus 180ab. And minus 36 into this one is minus 72b square. Okay, yes or no? Done it? Okay, now see, solve the likes. 81a square, 72a square, 81 minus 72, 9. Yes or no? 9a square. 81b square minus 72b square, 9b square. Yes or no? It is 9b square. Now the remaining parts are 162ab, 180ab, plus minus 18ab. You got my point? Done. 180 minus 162 is 18 and the sign is of largest. Okay. Now can I take 9 common here? Yes, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and you can observe this. What is this? This is a minus b whole square formula. Can I write this like 9 is 3 square and this is a minus b whole square. Okay, or can I write 3 into a minus b whole square, 3 into a minus b whole square. This is the d. Okay, it is the value of d, discriminant we finally got. See beta, it was the equation given. It was the equation given. We compared the equation with the standard form and from here we obtained the coefficients. Okay, and we know what is the rule for discriminant, b square minus 4ac. We put the respective values in the formula. B was minus 9a plus b, a was 9 and c was 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. We put the values and simplified it. Finally we got the result as d is 3 into a minus b whole square. Okay, done. Take the screenshot. Done. Now see, now we will move further. According to the rule, according to the Sridharacharya Sutra, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root of d by 2a. Yes or no? Done. Now what we have to do? We have to put these values from here and this is d. This is d we have got. Okay, now see, x is equal to minus b plus minus root 3 into a minus b whole square. Okay, by 2 into a is 9. Done. Now see beta, minus minus plus 9 into a plus b plus minus square will remove the root. Here output will be 3 into a minus b. Divide by 18. Done. Divide by 18. Now see, x is equal to, we will get value of x Two values of x we will have here. See, once 9 into a plus b plus 3 into a minus b by 18, and secondly 9 into a plus b minus 3 into a minus b by 18. Done, beta. Now see, multiply it. 9a plus 9b, 3a minus 3b, divide by 18. And from here, x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b, divide by 18. So simple calculations are these, beta. See, now what will you get? 9a plus 3a, 12a plus 6b by 18. And here x will be 6a, 9 plus 3, 12b by 18. Yes or no? Done. And finally we can take 6 common from here. You will get 2a plus sorry, by 18. And here also we can take 6 common, a plus 2b by 18. And this 6 will remove, cut this will cut this. Yes or no? 6 3s are 18. Done. Now finally we got the value of x as 2a plus b by 3, 2a plus b by 3, and what is the value of other value of x? A plus 2b by 3. These are the roots of the equation. Okay, this was the equation. It was the equation given, beta. How we did the sum? We use the quadratic formula. First we use our mind. Which formula is most suitable for the solution of this kind of question? Okay, factorization is also possible here. By completing the whole square method you can do it also, but which is more convenient method? This depends on your keen observation. As in my earlier lecture from the static, I have kept saying the same words. Your keen observation and your imagination, the way of thinking, your thought process makes you a perfect mathematician, and you have to follow your mind. Okay, done. Take the screenshot, then we will go for the next question. Okay, go. Take the screenshot. Done. Now see, beta, next question we are going to start is a quadratic equation given here, and we have to find the roots of that equation. See, the statement is given by a by x minus b, a by x minus b plus b by x minus a is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Okay, beta, we have to solve this. Okay, we have to find the value of x here. See one thing. First of all, we have to make it is like standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, and how do we do this? We make it like that by taking the LCM. A number of sums we have discussed such like that. Okay, see, now first of all take the LCM. X minus b, x minus a, multiply with this, a into x minus a, and this plus b into x minus b is equal to 2. Yes or no? Done. Now see what we will do here. Multiply a with the inside. Okay, this is a distributive law, distribution property of multiplication. Ax minus a. Done. Now multiply b inside, bx minus b square. Here is a square, sorry. Okay, now x minus b into x minus a, x square minus ax minus bx plus ab, yes or no, is equal to 2. Done. Okay, what we have done here, beta, we just took the LCM, multiplied this with this and this with this, bx minus b square, and here at the denominator we multiplied the portion. Okay, now see what we will get. Cross multiply it here, cross multiply, go for the direct cross multiplication. You will get 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. We multiply 2 with it whole. Now 1 into this, it will be same, ax minus a square plus bx and minus b square. Now students, see what should be our next step. We should take the whole right hand quantities towards left. We will take these all terms towards left. See what is this, 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. Okay, it was written as it is because it is on the exact side. These terms are shifted, minus ax plus a square minus bx plus b square. All the signs are changed. All the signs are changed here. Okay, now see 2x square minus 2ax minus ax minus 2ax and minus ax minus 3ax. In the same way, minus 2bx minus bx minus 3bx. Which terms we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining part are a square, b square, 2ab. Okay, a square, b square and 2ab. Yes or no? Okay, this is the equation we got here. And if you observe what we can do here, 2x square minus 3a plus b, x common, yes or no? Minus 3x minus 3 and x with 2 common, a plus b the remaining portion, and plus what it can be written as a plus b whole square, yes or no? This is the quadratic equation formed. This is the quadratic equation formed in the standard form. Yes or no? See beta, this question is very, very simple. Only because of these arbitrary constants, students find it typical. But this is not typical question. Any extra step, any special step we have taken here? No, not at all. Only we are going with the flow. Just the simple algebraic calculations are there, and finally we got the quadratic equation. Okay, take the screenshot of this, then we will go for the we will rough this and go for the solution of this equation. Taken. Now see beta, now what we will do, we will solve the quadratic equation formed. We will solve the quadratic equation formed here. The quadratic equation formed is 2x square minus 3 into a plus bx plus a plus b whole square is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we have to solve. Okay, now see, if you compare it with, see beta, this can be done by factorization, by completing the whole square, as well as by a quadratic formula. But what we are going to here, we are thinking which method is most suitable. Which method is most suitable, and I found here, I think Sridharacharya Sutra, the famous Indian, you all remember? That sutra will apply here, will be most applicable here. See, if we compare with the standard ax square bx c, a will be 2, yes or no? B will be minus 3a plus b. Value of b is minus 3a plus b. And c will be a plus b whole square. C will be a plus b whole square. Yes or no? Done. Now, what is the rule for D? What is the rule for D? Try to remember. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Yes or no? Done beta. Now what we are going to do, we will put these values in the formula and we will find the discriminant for the equation. See, this is B minus 4ac. Yes or no? B square minus 4ac. B is this one, A is this one, and C is this one. We just put the values. Okay, now see, minus 3 whole square 9, a plus b whole square, minus 8 into a plus b whole square. See beta, what is this? See, do not need to be solved. See, 9 into a plus b whole square minus 8 into a plus b whole square. What is this? 9x minus 8x. Because the coefficients are same, because the variable part is same. These are like expressions. We can apply plus and minus here. 9x minus 8x. 9x minus 8x. What it will be? X, yes or no? It will be x. This is the d you got here. This is the d we got here. Okay? Done beta. Now what we will do? We will go for value of x. We will go for value of x. And what is x? Minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Minus b plus minus root d by 2a. See, x is equal to minus b plus root d by 2a. Okay, now see, minus minus plus 3 into a plus b plus, see beta, square will remove this, it will be a plus b automatically by 4. 3x plus 4, 3x plus x, 4x, because these are likes, like this one here, 9x minus 8x, 3x plus x, 4x divide by is 4, 4 cancels 4, what the output is? A plus b here. This is the first root we got. This is the first root we got. Okay, done. Okay, now what we have to find? Another value of x. This value will be x is equal to minus b minus root d divide by 2a, minus minus plus 3 into a plus b minus. This square will remove this, yes or no? What it will be? A plus b by 4. Now see, 3x minus x, 3x minus x, 2x. The same criteria we used here, 9x minus 8x, 3x minus x, 2x. And the role of x is played by a plus b. Okay, do not get confused. Divide by 4. Here 2 cancels 4. The a value of x we got is a plus b by 2. The value of x we got is a plus b by 2. Done beta. Take the screenshot. Done. Now we will go for the next question. Okay. Now see, next question we are going to discuss is also based on the quadratic equation where we have to solve it. Okay. Done. Should I enough? See beta, whenever is the question is given here and the statement contains arbitrary constants, do not be frightened at all. See, very simply using the quadratic formula we will be able to solve this. See, once again same kind of equation is there, x square plus 6x minus a square plus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. X square plus 6x minus a square plus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation we have to solve. Once again, try to go for a good thought process. Which method is most suitable? Very frankly, I am finding and I have found that quadratic formula is best suitable method here. Okay, if I compare it with standard, A is 1, B is 6, C is this portion, yes or no? Done. What I am saying, A will be 1, B will be 6 and C will be a square plus 2a minus 8 minus outside is there. Okay, C is minus a square plus 2a minus 8. Done. Now see, once again go for discriminant. What is the value of D? D is b square minus 4ac. Yes or no? D is b square minus 4ac. Done. Now see, b square minus 4a and C is minus a square plus 2a minus 8. Done. This is 36. Okay, minus minus plus 4 into a square plus 2a minus 8. Multiply inside, see what we get. 36 plus 4a square plus 8a minus 32. Okay. A good observer has observed that there again gonna be a whole square there. See, 4a square plus 8a, 36 minus 32 plus 4 is common, a square plus 2a plus 1. Yes or no? A square plus 2a plus 1. And what is this, guys? A plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? This is a plus 1 whole square. And if you write 4 as 2 square and this is a plus 1 whole square, can I write 2 into a plus 1 whole square is discriminant? Yes or no? 2 into a plus 1 whole square is the discriminant. Yes or no? Tell me. You got my point? It was the equation given here. This was the quadratic equation given here, and when we compared it with the standard, we got A1, B6 and C. This one. Then finally we put the value of these coefficients in the formula. D is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. And from here we got the result. Yes or no? Tell me. Got it? Finally the D is here. See beta, this is the third question we are repeating of the same kind. That's why I am taking 3-4 questions of the same kind, so that you can make a command over such kind of questions. Okay, now take the screenshot. After D we will solve the equation further. Take the screenshot. Done. Now see, finally what is X? Finally what is X? X is equal to minus B plus minus root D by 2a. Yes or no? X is equal to minus b plus root d. Yes or no? By 2a. It is d, huh? We put the value of d here. In the same way, X will be minus b minus root d by 2a. Done. Now see what we will get here. Minus 6 plus. This will remove this. You need not to cut here. I am saying this will remove the root. Okay. 2 into a plus 1 by 2. Minus 6 plus 2a plus 2 by 2. How we got it? Distribution property. 2a minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 by 2. Can I take common? A minus 2 by 2. The output is a minus 2. Here the value of X is a minus 2. Okay, done. Now here, see. X will be minus 6 minus. This will remove the root. Yes or no? 2 into a plus 1 by 2. Done. Now X is equal to minus 6 minus 2a minus 8 by 2. What is this? Minus 2a minus 14 by 2. And if you want, you can take the 2 common here. Minus a minus 7 by 2. Cut this. Minus a minus 7, or you can say minus of a plus 7 is the another root of the equation. Okay, done. You can note the value. You can take the screenshot here. See beta, all the three questions we discussed, all are of same kind. Next question we are going to discuss is also based on the same criteria. See, very frankly students, I got text from many students and 70% questions were like this. That's why I decided in the third part I will make at least 7-8 questions of such kind, so that students fear. The main thing is students fear. That should be removed. Okay. Question number 4 we are going to discuss is, see beta, once again same criteria, x square minus 2 into b minus 1 into x plus b square minus b minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, yes or no? This is the formula. This is the equation. Now once again we can use this. Okay, see, A, B, C, yes or no? A, B, C, the value of A, B, C coefficients are clear here. I am writing here, A is 1, B is minus 2 into B minus 1, and C is B square minus B minus 20. These are the three coefficients we got from the equation. Okay, now see, once again the discriminant is B square minus 4AC. Yes or no? See, what is B? Minus of 2B minus 1, B square minus 4 A and C. Okay beta, B square minus 4AC we have taken here. Now what should we do? Minus square plus 2b minus 1 whole square minus 4 into b square minus b minus 20. Am I right? We are just doing simple calculation. Okay, now see, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2 into 2b into 1 minus 4b. Okay, done. Minus 4b square plus 4b plus 80. Am I right? Done beta. Minus 4b square plus 4b plus 80. Now try to solve it. I think this is removed. 4b square minus 4b square. And anything is pending. 4b is cancelled with 4b. Done. Only 1 plus 80, that is 81 is here. That is 81 is here. And what is this? This is your D. This is your D. Okay. Now what is the value of x? I am writing in this side beta. What is the value of x? Minus b plus root d by 2a and minus b minus root d by 2a. Done. Now see, x is equal to minus b. What is b? This minus b plus root d by 2a. See beta, minus minus plus 2b minus 1 and root 81 9, root 81 9 by 2, 2b plus 8 by 2. We can take common 2b plus 4 by 2. The answer is b plus 4. Yes or no? The answer is b plus 4. In the same way, if we see here, minus b minus b minus root d 2a, x is equal to minus minus plus 2b minus 1 minus 9 by 2. Okay beta. Now see, what is this? 2b minus 10 by 2. Can I take common 2? b minus 5 by 2. Cancel. b minus 5 is the answer. b minus 5 is the answer. Done beta. Okay. These are the 4 questions of the same criteria we discussed. Now I'm going to take next type of sums. It was also a query of many students. Sir, how to break the root terms? How to break the root terms by factorization? I am here, beta. I will explain you. I will tell you the cheat code. Very frankly, if you are not able to calculate root terms in your brain, I will tell you the cheat code how you can make the factors of a root term. Okay, first you take the screenshot. The next question I am representing you, definitely it will be of factorization of root. See, take the screenshot. Done, beta. Now next question we are going to discuss factorization of root terms. Here you also can apply the quadratic formula, splitting the middle term. But see, beta, once it was asked by CBSE that do a sum by factorization. See, equation is 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 is equal to 0. What we have to do here, once you see, according to question, 6 root 3 should be broken. 6 root 3 should be broken, and the product of the both parts should be minus 120. Okay, minus 120. Product is of minus sign. Definitely there will be 2 parts of opposite sign. One is plus and one is minus. Okay, second thing. This is 6 root 3. This is plus. It means the greater part, larger part will be of positive sign. Okay, this is the simple criteria you all know because you are doing such kind of factors from the 8th-9th class. But how to think that? How to think of that? Yes or no? What I am saying, how will you think of that? You are getting my point? This is not little bit typical. Okay, now see, beta, what I am going to do here. Once you see what I am going to do here, this is the rough portion only to make you understand I am doing this. What I am doing, whatever is the coefficient of x in my mind. See, beta, this is the rough portion. See what is going on in my mind, I am writing here. You just try to understand. What I am doing, I will divide the whole by the coefficient of x square. The remaining equation will be 3 root 3x minus, okay, minus this. And then once again what I will do in my mind, what I will do, I will remove this and divide this by what is inside the root 3. See, beta, this is a cheat code, cheat step to make the factors of such kind of terms. See what I am doing. What I did here, I just did first make the coefficient of x square 1, divide by the coefficient of x, then I removed this root from the middle term and divide the c part by the root term. Root part, root inside the root it was 3, I divided the 30 by 3. Now when I solve this equation, can I write like this? Am I right? Yes or no? And if I multiply this equation with by 2, what I will get? 2x square plus 10x minus 4x minus 20, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? What does it mean, beta? These are the factors of this equation. Only what I have to do, I have to put See, 2x square plus, what is this, 10x? Can I write this 10 root 3x? What is this, 4x? Can I write this 4 root 3x? Am I right? And what is, whatever is this, write this like, because our main motto was to find the factors. Now you can see 10 root 3 minus 4 root 3. 6 root 3, yes or no? And 10 4 ja 40, 40 into root 3 into root 3. See beta, 10 root 3 into 4 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 10 4 ja 40, the output is 120. Yes or no? Output is 120. Done? Okay. Once again I am explaining you what the cheat steps are going in my mind to simplify this root part. Once again I am repeating. See beta, what I did in my mind, I make the coefficient of x square 1, then I removed the root from middle term. See, I am writing, this should be your thought process. Remove the root from root n from middle term. Number 1 point. Number 2, divide c by n, which was in root in middle term. See beta, what I did next, I make the coefficient of x square unity, then I removed this part from the middle term and divide this part, the root part, which the number which was inside the root, divide this by this. You will get an equation like this, and it can be easily solved now. Now, what was here? 2, that's why I multiplied it with 2. Okay. Now put the root with this and get this as it is. Okay. Once again in next question I will explain the steps. You will get the exact results. See beta. Now see what we have to do here. 2x is common here. X plus 5 root 3. Am I right? 5 2s are 10 root 3 x. Okay, done. It should be remaining here. Yes or no? And how can I achieve this x? Divide this whole by this. You will get x cancels x, minus 4 root 3. It means minus 4 root 3 was taken as common. And 5 root 3 is remaining. See. 4 5s are 20, root 3 into root 3, 3, 20, 3 are 60, that is here. See beta, what I took the step I took here, this portion will be here, this portion has to be appear here, I wrote this as it is. Then I divide this portion, because from here x was pending now, this portion I divided by x, minus 4 root 3, it will automatically come here. So these are little some cheat steps. Those make the factorization very easier. Those make the factorization easier. Okay. So do not worry about any calculation. It will be fun for you. X plus 5 root 3 and here is 2x minus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to minus 5 root 3. Yes or no? Or from here 2x is equal to 4 root 3. 2 will cancel this. X is equal to 2 root 3 answer. Yes or no? Done beta? See, it was so simple. Only the problem the students were facing, I got at least 25 students text that sir we are not able to make the factors here. We are not getting the parts. Because we do not know how to calculate the root parts. See beta, once again in the next question I will explain the same thing. I want you to think positively. This is the cheat code you can use in examination also. Okay, this is not a cheat code, this is a smart step. This is the smart thought process that makes the calculations easier. Okay, now see. Take the screenshot of this. Till then I am trying to find the next question regarding the root. Regarding the root of middle term containing middle term. Dun 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 dun. Root term is not still there, no? Do not worry, we will definitely find a root part. Okay. Shall we start? See, question number next. The same type of question, beta, where the root exists in a middle term. Root exists in a middle term. See, x square. Oh, one step is easy. We are not here to make the coefficient of x square 1. Minus 5 root 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 5 root 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now see beta, what we can do here. Minus 5 root 3 is to be broken. Out should give the product of root 30. I am not able. Do not worry. See, what is my thought process? What I will do, I will remove the root 3 from here and divide 30 by this 3. Okay, yes or no? Done? See beta, what we did here. We removed the root 3 from here. Okay? And divide this 30 by 3. Okay? Done? Now see what we have to do. We have to break 5 into 2 parts such that the product is 10. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, sorry. I took the statement wrong. Statement was wrong. It was 5. It was 5 because in that case root was not possible. It means here you have to go from quadratic formula. Okay, that's why if the factorization method is asked of a root part, definitely 101% I guarantee this smart thought process will help you. See beta, what I am doing here, I am removing this x square minus 5x, and from this inside 5 I am dividing this. This is the equation, yes or no? This is the equation we will get. Now see, from here x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Here x square was what? X square is. Now with this and this, can I write like this? Minus 3 root 5x minus 2 root 5x plus 30 is equal to 0. See beta, what I did? Here I removed root 5. Because of that the factors were like this. Here I added the root 5. Because of that root 5, this 6 became 30. See, so simple and so easy beta. What was my thought process? Once again I am writing here. What I did, I saw the statement. Here was the root part. Here was the root part. See, here was the root part. Okay, do not worry. I write x square minus, remove the root part from here, 5x plus, and divide this c by the root. Inside root number was 5, 6. Okay, and this is very simple equation. It can be done very easily. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Yes or no? The same thing I wrote here. I wrote here x square minus 3x, 3 put root 5 along with it, minus 2 put root 5 along with it, plus 30 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This is the thought process. Okay, now see, from here x common, x minus 3 root 5. This should be appear here, yes or no? Okay. How can I get this? Divide this portion by this. X will cancel x. Minus 2 root 5 will remain here. Minus 2 root 5 will remain here. Okay. And the output will be x minus 3 root 5. X minus 2 root 5 is equal to 0. If you put this is equal to 0, x is 3 root 5. And if you put 3 is equal to 0, x is 2 root 5. Yes or no? Okay, beta? Done? Both the questions are done. See, now I think you all will be able to solve such kind of root questions where roots are asked. Okay? Done? One more type of question is there, beta, where again your observation will, you take the screenshot, where your observation will also matter. Is question I am going to deal with you, share with you is this one. Okay. You have taken the screenshot? Now see. See beta, what is the statement given here? 2 into 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 3. And then minus 3 into x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 is equal to 5. This is the statement beta. See, in this method, I will use substitution of variables, of some variables. See beta, if you have a keen observation, you can very easily observe one thing here, that reciprocal type of things are here. See, this by this, and here this by this is there. Yes or no? Done beta. See, if you go for multiply and then take the LCM, definitely you will get the result. But that is also okay. But see beta, why I am here? I want to make you comfortable with the calculations. Okay. See, if we put 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 as y, 2x minus 1 by x minus 3 is y. What it will be? It will be 2y minus 3. It will be 1 by y. Yes or no? Done. See what the equation you will get. 2y minus 3y is equal to 5. If you take the LCM here, 2y square minus 3 is equal to 5y. Yes or no? Sorry, I took the LCM only here. Why some students get confused when I take the LCM of both sides? Now see. Sorry. See beta, this is 1. That's why here it will be y. 1 cancels y, 2y square minus 3 is equal to 5 by 1. Now cross multiply. 2y square minus 3 is equal to 5y. Done. 2y square, shift this towards left, minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Are you sure? Am I right here? Done beta. Two y square minus 5y minus this is equal to 0. Yes. Okay. Done. Now see what we have to do. What we have to do. See beta, I am writing here. This is the quadratic equation you got. 2y square minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. And it can be factorized like minus 5 is to be broken. And the product should be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 1 ja minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Okay. Minus 6y plus y minus 3. 2y into y minus 3 plus 1 common y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 common, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. From here y is equal to 3 or from here y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now see beta, sum is not over because this equation was in x and we have to find x. Okay, y is equal to 3 we will put here, then cross multiply, we will find the value of x. In the same way or other case, y is equal to minus 1 by 2, we will put here and find the value of x. See, I am finding one value, another value you have to find by yourself. Once you take the screenshot, done. Now I am roughing it to make some space so that I can find the value of x. See, y is equal to 3, I am putting here. 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 3. Yes or no? Because it was y and y is 3. Now cross multiplication. 3x plus 9, 2x minus 1. Here is 3x, shift like this, 2x. Here is minus 1, shift like this. X is equal to minus 10 answer. X is equal to minus 10 is the root for this equation. Okay, done. Done beta. The second value of x you will find by yourself. Okay, done. Now see beta. First you take the screenshot. Now see beta, I would like to share some views with you beta. My point of views. Chapter 2 we have done. Chapter 4 we have done. Okay, extra questions and doubt session of chapter video. One video was there, two videos, miscellaneous and doubt session we have taken from regarding the chapter 2. Now for the chapter 3 chapter 4 we have made 3 videos for extra questions. At least 20 plus questions we have shared in these 3 videos, and we have covered almost all type of questions. We have covered almost all type of questions in quadratic equations. Okay beta, I know many type of questions, many questions are pending, but the basic concept and type are, according to CBSE, almost we have done. This was the last video regarding the chapter 4 quadratic equations. Okay, in future if any demand is there, I will make another video for quadratic equation or polynomials. See beta, tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, and I would like to conduct a test of yours regarding chapter 4. See beta, you are getting this video on Monday. You think today is Monday, okay, and the tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow I am going to conduct an online test from 12 to 1 for class 10. Okay, from 12 to 1, when the timings are for maths class, I will conduct an online test. Okay, so all the class 10 students, please watch all the videos very attentively, and very frankly beta, students who are good, who are serious about the studies, they will get benefit and some extra benefit from myself, because internal assessments are in our hand. See beta, if you are doing very well during the online classes, it means you are good student, you are very serious about the studies, and you have to be, because this is the first board class you are going to face. Okay, done. So you will get full out of full in your assessment if you are showing your curiosity and your learning. Okay, so beta, tomorrow is test. You consider it, today is Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. 12 to 1 your test will be there. And one more thing, students, likes and comments are so poor. Why are you so miser in liking the videos? We are working so hard beta. The team Prince is working so hard only for you. Very frankly, this is the time, too late in the night, but still we are shooting only for you. Okay, so please beta, like the video, give positive comments, maintain the decorum of prince, and one more thing, share also. Okay beta, and share to the all the needed students. Okay, done. Have a nice day. Best of luck and all the best from my side. All the best for tomorrow's test also. Done.